Hey, what's up guys? It's Jansen here again and welcome back to my channel. Do you love watching movies from Disney Plus, but you don't know where to find this application? Well, if you're interested on how to get this application, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. So in this video, I will be sharing with you on how to download the Disney Plus app onto your car's Android head unit. As we all know, Disney Plus is not available in Google Play Store due to safety reasons. If you actually search the app on Google Play Store, it won't show up and you won't be able to find it as it's not available for car's Android head unit. One safety reason is that of course, you are not allowed to watch movies because it can distract you while driving. Well, just a disclaimer guys, I am not sharing this to you for you to use this app while driving. It is your full responsibility to practice safe driving. And of course, the safety of others and your passengers are the most important. You can use this app if you guys in the parking lot and want to kill time or when you're just waiting for someone. Okay now, so let's go ahead and download the Disney Plus app onto your Android head unit. Open your browser and type the link that you see on the screen. Okay, so once you're done typing it, just go ahead and tap enter to open the download link. Okay, so this one right here is the APK file that we need to download. So just download that. So once you're done downloading that, go back to your home screen and open your app drawer. And then go to File Manager. Now look for the download folder. And from there, look for the Disney Plus APK. Then tap on it. And then tap the install button located on the lower right side of the screen. Okay, so let's just wait for the application to be installed. Okay, done. Now let's go ahead and tap the open button to load the app. And there you go guys. The Disney Plus app is now installed to our Android head unit. So if you guys have Disney Plus account, just tap login, and if not, just tap subscribe now to sign up or register. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. Make sure to follow or subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to keep you updated on my new and upcoming videos. Thanks again guys and hope to see you again on my next video.